Liz Mullen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked chicken with mojo. Now I'm going to show you that I'm going to place a piece of chicken on here and use the white rice with some gravy. My husband loves this, and I'm going to serve him a piece of chicken and white rice, and so he can get ready to eat dinner. Look at that piece of chicken right there. It looks delicious. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the white rice over here and place some on the plate. I cooked some earlier. A little bit more. And I'm going to take that gravy that I talked to you about, and not only am I going to place it on the chicken, but I'm going to place it on the rice first, and then like this, and it's going to taste fabulous. And I'm going to place this next to him so he can eat it, because he loves it this way. Now I am going to go ahead and have a taste of my food, because it looks so good and so delicious. Go ahead and get a nice piece of chicken. Oh yes. Very nice. On behalf of Vesper Village, thank you for watching.